that's a big one.
North Central Illinois, southeastern Ogle County in north central Illinois, Dekalb County in north central Illinois, northwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Genoa to near Kingston to 7 miles south of Ashton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Kingston, Genoa, and Malta around 3:45 p.m. Hampshire, Dekalb, and Sycamore around 3:50 p.m. Huntley around 3:55 p.m. Cortland around 4 p.m. Shabona around 4:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Creston, Lee, Burlington, and Stewart. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.